Hello and welcome to my first ever build video. My name's Grankid, if you didn't know by the way, and join me on my adventure, my first PC. On your far left hand side we have the Corsair 750 watt power supply in the middle. We have the Z97 SLI Crate Edition motherboard. For the graphics card we have the GeForce GTX 970 GPU. We also have 8 gigs of Corsair Vengeance RAM. For the CPU we have Intel Core i7 4790K. For the SSD we have the Crucial BX 200 2.5 inch drive, and to house everything together we have the NZXT S340.
Keep opening it and still blink.
Yeah, no.
You should fry them. They taste better that way.
That little thing. It's a sticker, I guess. More stickers.
Oh boy. I go up and your arm goes over it. Oh yeah.
trick though, is when we put the side panels on, so.
Oh yeah.
I think it'll be fine. Because I have a lot of room in this case. If I can do it correctly. Be sure.
Have you greeted before? They're all excited that you're greeting. I've greeted so many times before. Woo! All the parts are in there? Oh, oh, this is exciting. Yep.
I need a keyboard too, but how you guys are doing?
Mm-hmm. HDMI, no signal.
Almost forgot.
Yeah.
Gotta flip the switch.
Flip the switch. Woo, it's
Really?
spinning.
You have to see it on the screen here.
That's what I got. Okay. I see it on screen.
Is the screen on?
No, I don't think it's on. Well, it's, it's orange. What's orange?
There we go.
Woo! Yay!
We're downloading Windows, put into this USB drive. So we'll be set. We'll be golden. And then I mean everything's operational. Give you guys. I should give you guys some closer shots because I don't know how it was looking. But I have a stock cooler. I know I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get a new one. I'm gonna get a water cooler. Have my SSD in there. I am gonna get a 1 terabyte hard drive. All the front panel connectors are gonna be down here. GPU fans are spinning. Oh well, they're not spinning because they don't spin at idle. I forgot. This GPU in particular doesn't spin at idle. That's okay. Everything works. I guess we'll show the scary. How many times did we try this? Like 4 times. We tried this like 4 or 5 times with 2 different HDMI cables. I just kept turning it off, turn it back on. I didn't do anything. I guess it just needed to warm up. But now everything's set. So catch you guys in the next clip. Doing is just right now. What we're gonna do is we're going to boot it up. I have the flash drive in right now. I won't focus it, but I have the flash drive in. I'm gonna do the first boot, install Windows. Oh yeah, that was the cables. That was the cord, but it's fine now. Which is good. Alright. Hoping that it automatically goes, but it probably won't. F11. Oh, alright. Here we go. English. Next. Install now. Setup is starting. This is my first time doing this, by the way, guys. I've never done anything like this before. So it's pretty exciting. Alright, gotta activate my Windows key. I can go ahead and stop recording because you guys can't get my key.
I started.
Alright guys, so I think it's finished now. Should be doing an automatic restart now. I think that's what it's doing. Yeah, automatic restart. And we'll see if I have to change anything in the settings. Pretty exciting, huh?
Yeah.
I may have to hit F11. Okay, getting devices ready. I don't know if I'm doing this right. The SSD has Windows on it, so should boot from the SSD. It's taking so much time. Alright guys, so we're back again in the next clip. So now what we're gonna do is, I don't have any speakers. I forgot. It's totally something that escaped my mind. I'll show you what I'm gonna do here first. So I'm gonna go Microsoft Edge. First thing you wanna do, get rid of Microsoft Edge. Alright, so you wanna get Google Chrome. Download Chrome. Set it as my default browser. Running security scan. Run. Thank you for downloading Google Chrome. Yeah. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so now the first website that I go to is Nianite.com, and then you get to choose all the applications that you want in one place. So alright, I don't know what happened there, but that was scary. So I already have Chrome. So I want to go to Skype. I want to go. I don't really need Skype. I just want this shit. Folder. Yes. Alright, and then basically what this does now is it installs all of the programs that you just clicked. So I have Audacity, iTunes, Java, Silverlight, Skype, WinRAR, and one more. All of those will install, bloatware free, and we're good. Another thing that I went, but we'll catch you guys in the next clip because that's not all. There's a lot more you have to do. Alright guys, just before we finalize the video, just thought I'd give you guys a quick look at my PC before I close it out. Alright, here we go. It's nothing, just looks like earlier. It's nothing really crazy, but there we go. Hey, what's up guys? We're back, finally done. Took me about 3 hours. I just grinded 3 hours today just getting this video straight, getting music, trying to sync everything, all the transitions, learning the program, Adobe Premiere. I'm just so glad everything's done. Thank you guys very much for watching. It's your boy Grankid. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.